Hey guys, Scaredy Cat Gardener Container Crops here. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Take a second and subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and go over to Facebook and join my Facebook group over there, Container Crops. We've got a lot of interesting things over there. You can post your pictures, your videos, and if you have a question, I'm sure you'll get your answer. Okay, let's go ahead and get into it.
Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside all the time.
I am getting ready to harvest some of my black Spanish radishes. Now, I talked about journaling in another video that I'm pretty sure all of you all have seen. Yes, I have my book in plastic because I bring it outside with me all the time, and it's water and it's dirt, and I want to protect it. So I keep it in plastic. But according to my journal, and I am doing an experiment here, so I thought I'd bring you guys along just to see exactly how it works. Now, I know most of the time when we harvest things, we look at it and we see, is it ready? Does it look ready? Does it look ripe or whatever? But these black Spanish radishes said that they would be ready for harvest in 55 days. Now, I know that's not an exact science, but I wanted to just see how close the package actually was. So, according to my notes, 55 days to harvest would have been November 6th. Today is November the 9th, so I am 3 days out of the 55 days. I do see at least one well above the ground, but the other ones don't look exactly ready. But we're going to pull up a couple anyway, just to see if they're ready. See what we have. The leaves are looking amazing. And then I'm going to turn around, and once I use them, I'm going to replant the actual radish. Because as most of you all know, that is the one thing that I love to learn how to do, is to plant from the fruit or vegetable itself. Okay, I'm gonna bring you guys closer in so you can take a look at the radish. Okay, I hope you guys can see. This is the actual radish plants that I have in here. As you can see, these leaves are beautiful. They are definitely cold hardy, and I hope you guys can see. I'm gonna take this off the tripod for a minute because I want you guys to see before I pull it up exactly what it looks like. So give me a second. Okay, if you guys can see down in there, see that one? That one looks like it's definitely ready. So I'm gonna definitely pull it up. But some of these other ones, look at that. That doesn't look ready to me. Over here, this is a smaller one. It definitely doesn't look ready. If they're not looking ready, I'm not gonna pull them up. Here's another one down there that might be a little ready. So let's see what we got down here. See if I can get this one. I want you guys to see. Trying to move the leaves out of the way without breaking them for the ones that I am not pulling, because they are all intertwined. Okay. This is the one I want to get. Let's see. There we go. This is the one I want to get. Make sure I get the right one here. I'm going to pull out anything else. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wow. Look at that, guys. Look at that. That is a beautiful black radish. Oh my goodness. Yes. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Yes. This is amazing. Okay, so that did well. This is the first radish I've ever been able to grow. The red ones never would grow. And I believe this looks ready. I mean, I wouldn't want to leave it any longer. Okay, let me see what else we got down here. I don't know about the rest of these. They don't look quite ready. So you can kind of see this. See, that's not ready. I'm going to leave it in there. That's definitely not ready. And this one isn't either. So guess what, guys? That one maybe end up being long. It is up above the ground. You know how sometimes you can get a long one in there as well. I'm going to leave it in there just a little bit longer. Off this old bok choy leaf, no need taking up anything else. I'm going to leave those in there just a little bit longer. And I am not mad at this one radish. I am not mad at this one radish. Oh my goodness, doesn't that look amazing? Okay, guys, as always, you know I appreciate the support. Thank you guys for coming and stopping by and hanging out with me today, and I'll see you next time. And remember, anywhere you can set a pot, you can grow a plant. And I'll see you on the trail.
You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside all the time.